How to see Gmail password in Gmail. Open your Gmail application on your device. Log into your Gmail account that you want to see the password of. Then tap on three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll and tap on Settings. On this page, you need to select your Gmail account. Then at the top under Account, tap on Manage your Google account. Scroll and tap on Security. Here you need to scroll and locate the Password Manager. Now you have to tap on the Password Manager option, and as you can see the list, you need to tap on google.com and open it. Now you need to scan your fingerprint. Then from here you can easily view the Gmail password by tapping on the I like button next to the password. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.